Hello buddies, welcome back to my channel. Today is a special video because this year I decided to start my planning journey with the 2026 Planner Hamper by Alicia Souza. So, the very first thing, and honestly one of the most thoughtful things, is this sweet card. It's a thank you note from Alicia, and she also gently apologizes in case there's ever any inconvenience. I don't know about you, but I feel like this little touch says so much. When a brand puts heart into their words, you can feel it. Now, let's talk about this box. It is sturdy, glossy, and full of adorable illustrations. Very signature Alicia style. It feels premium, almost like silk when you slide your fingers across it. This is the kind of box you don't throw away. I already know I will be reusing it for my craft. Now, inside we have this transparent butter paper with golden illustrations. Oh my goodness. It's so satisfying, so elegant, and so aesthetically pleasing. I'm definitely saving this for journaling or a craft project. It's too beautiful to waste. Wow, I just love it. And next we have, another thank you card. I think Alicia really said, one thank you is not enough, take two. And I love that energy. Stationery lovers appreciate love in stationery form. And this card is staying with me forever. It's hard and really very beautiful. And here comes this pocket planner. This tiny beauty has such a big personality. The cover is smooth, glossy, and full of Alicia playful illustrations with beautiful gold accents. And honestly, it looks like something you would proudly carry everywhere. It's one of those planners that actually helps you stay organized on the go, not just look pretty in your bag. And of course, every month has well planned sections that makes it extremely practical for daily use. Whether you are a student, working, journaling, or tracking habits, everything is there. Look at the pages. Pages so thoughtfully designed, clean layout, and just beautiful. Here comes the best part. At the end, there is a little pocket section inside. I will definitely make a complete detailed review of this pocket planner too. Now, here comes the sticker book. Look how thick it is. I mean, wow. This is so beautiful. And of course, there are so many stickers. As you can see, it's so thick. So you can imagine how many stickers must be there inside. All the stickers are functional, and of course, there are decorative ones, motivational ones, tiny cute icons, just everything you need throughout the year. And of course, the gold foil stickers. And finally, the star of this entire hamper, the 2026 planner. Before I even open it, I took a moment just to admire the cover. It has that signature Alicia charm, playful, bright, and full of joy. The texture is buttery smooth, and the gold detail adds such a magical touch. It honestly feels like you are holding a little piece of happiness. Wow, this is so beautiful. And of course, the corners. The corners are protected with gold medal edges, which not only makes it look luxurious but also keep it safe and sturdy for everyday use. And here's my favorite part, this back pocket. It's such a useful feature. And of course, there are 2 ribbon bookmarks. And yes, it has this strong elastic band to keep everything secure. So this was the complete hamper. I truly loved every piece, the planner, the pocket planner and the sticker book. If you want a detailed flip through and review of each one, just let me know in the comment. I will happily make a separate video for you. Thank you for being here and for sharing this little unboxing moment with me. And remember, 2026 is your year to glow, to grow, and to show up yourself. See you in the next video. Until then, keep dreaming, keep planning, and keep creating magic.